Start.
Yeah.
Okay, first of all, I have this iPhone, okay? iPhone SE, and I have to reassemble. I mean, I have to take out the screen and I have to show how to take out the parts from the iPhone screen. Okay, so first of all, you must have this one, okay? Because this one is also good, and this one, I have three different screws, but I will use one of them, but you must have to use the green ones. So for the outside, this one will work here. There are two screws. First remove these one, remove screw number one, then screw number two, now use this sucker, and also keep this one, this plastic with the this little pull it out. Wait a second.
Okay.
No, he picked the car. Now again. Wait.
It's
uh,
still rolling.
from the start, or you just pause it? Okay, now that's good. Okay, so now pause it. Okay, so take out the screen, and you will see here this clip, this one. So remove this clip, and also this one. Okay, now after that, first remove the battery first, and here I have this one, so I will use this one. Now after doing all this stuff, you have to fix these. Okay, then this one, and then this one. Okay, and connect the battery. That's it. So just open it. I hope this will work. So this means we are successful. Our mission is successful. So use
I think the black looks better, and then
Yeah.
the white. Can I do that to my phone? Make it pink and black.
The black one is better.
Yeah. That's a nice phone.
Yeah. Completely new.
Yes.
Thank you for your watching the videos. Subscribe this and after that fix this. Thank you
Yep.
so much.